Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing something a little bit different from what we normally do. We're going to do a product review, or actually an unboxing of the Bondi Boost Professional Blowout Brush. We really like this product. We want you to see what it looks like, not just on the outside of the box, but what's on the inside of the box, which is most important. So let's jump into it. Hey, and stick around to the end. You might even get a discount code for this. I'm Andrew from Transitions Hair. We believe that life is better with hair, and we want you to have the best hair life ever. Okay, let's get to unboxing the Bondi Boost Blowout Brush. Comes in a very nice white packaging. On this side, it's got some tips and tricks for a good blowout, directions, cautionary tales. Tells you a little bit about the device there, that it's 240 volts. It is 50 hertz and 1100 nominal power. They actually say it's a 1200 watt motor. Yeah, but nicely packaged. You just pop it open like so, slide it open like this. Nicely packaged in this particular bubble wrap. Bit of nice detail on the inside there, and you also get your safety instructions and manual there as well. Okay. So there you have the Bondi Boost Blowout Brush. It's a fair old size. Nice big handle here, nice big head on the brush, nice holdable, usable, cool section so you don't burn yourself and it doesn't get too hot when you want to rotate that. This here's got like a swivel end on it. That's really good. You can see that I have no problems here swiveling that around, turning that around just like you would in a blow dry, and the cord not getting tapped. You can see here as well, this is fantastic. There's 3 meters of cord there, lots of cord, it's fantastic. And it comes with the Australian and New Zealand plugs. This has the 3 different settings through here. This is off, that is, but the blue light will come on, I'll show that to you later. This is high air velocity, but not a lot of heat. This is high heat, but low air velocity or low airflow, and this is high airflow and high heat. That is your cowbunga setting, okay? This has got great soft nylon bristles and a little bit of the other bristles in there so that you can catch the hair but also slide through the hair really well. Now, as far as size is concerned, you can see that that is around about 33, 34 centimeters in length. If you bring it here right to this part where you can bend it over, if you're thinking about traveling, it's a whole 37 centimeters long. If I were to compare that to like a blow dryer, this here is one of our bigger hairdressing blow dryers. Put it in there next to that, and you can see, hopefully, you can see how they are fairly comparable in size. The Parlux blow dryer would be a little bit smaller, a little bit narrower, but it takes up a lot more room like that because it's got this L shape, whereas this is just like that. That tucks away nicely and neatly. So if you're traveling, it's no more or no less trouble than carrying the Parlux blow dryer. But what I think you will find is that weight-wise, this is much lighter. This is great. You will have much better time carrying that through your airport, into your luggage, or even into your hand luggage. We hope you enjoy the unboxing of the Bondi Boost Blowout Brush. And for sticking around and watching right to the very end, here's a coupon code. So you can save yourself 10% off of this product today on your first purchase. We love it, and we hope that you will love it too. And that's what we do here. We want to help you have the best hair life ever. I'm Andrew from Transitions Hair. We believe that life is better with hair. And please subscribe to the channel. We're bringing out fresh content all the time. And if you liked today's video, give us a thumbs up. We'd greatly appreciate that. See you soon.